How
You
many?
take whatever you want.
Okay.
Up, up, up.
You see.
So where did you copy that name?
Facebook.
Oh, okay. What you get? What? Hindi nyo.
Sa kuan dito tao sa plane.
Okay.
Okay. Wait for Snowy. 1, 2, start.
Only one, Nabi. Only one. Okay. One. Oh, grabe tagduha man, boy. Oh. Ay. Oh, grabe, Mayo.
Can you pull it here? I don't see it.
Or maybe you can see. Okay.
One more.
Okay. That's his fault. No, it's okay.
Turn the mic.
Wow, 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 wow. Oh, 6. This one.
There's nothing. Where?
This one right there.
7?
7. Wow, 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 wow. 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 That's much. Wow.
Okay,
Come
now.
on.
Open, 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 open. Count,
That's a lot.
count, count.
My goodness. Wow.
300?
How much? 400. Wow. My goodness.
1,000.
Okay, guys, it's my turn. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, see, look. Like right there, right there, right there. Woo! It's my turn. It's my turn. Woo! What you get? That's it. All right, start. Woo!
Okay.
Okay, start. What? How many?
1. There. 1.
Oh,
Again, no.
What?
Manaroman ka! I'm following your hand and
Oh,
your
back to number 1.
My goodness, guys.
Okay. Okay. Honest guys, honest, no.
Three.
Oh, don't do that, Novi. Give me that.
It's there.
Oh my goodness. What?
Manaroman ka!
What?
That's
My goodness. Wait. Oh, because of this one. See, it's what's this? Rusty. Oh, this side. What?
Manaroman ka!
Woo!
6.
Oh. I got it. 100.
Manaroman ka!
That's 11.
That's 11. I'm ready.
9.
Wala man siguro na kwarta.
Okay, last one.
Last one yan eh.
Last one.
Ah, di ko ha. Ayaw. Ayaw. One,
$40 only. Manaroman ka! It's the winner.
Winner. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Thank you for watching again. Please do subscribe to Ate Yen channel. Actually guys, hits lang po tayo, no? Sabay lang tayo sa ano-anong mga activity niya. So, support guys. Ganun lang ang buhay. Ano yung sinasabi ni ano? Ang buhay ay wither lang. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. See you next time sa mga adventure natin.
Alright.